Goffin's Cockatoo. The Tanimbar corella, also known as Goffin's cockatoo or the blushing cockatoo, is a species of cockatoo endemic to forests of Yamdena, Larat and Selarut, all islands in the Tanimbar Islands archipelago in Indonesia. It has been introduced to the Kyle Islands, Indonesia, Puerto Rico and Singapore. This cockatoo weighs on average about 250 grams for females and 300 grams for males. They are about 31 centimeters or 12 inches from head to tail. This beautiful cockatoo is crested, meaning it has a collection of feathers on its head that it can raise or lower. Its body is mainly covered with white feathers, with salmon or pink colored feathers between the beak and eyes. Goffin's cockatoos can live up to 40 years. They are usually very lively and joyful.